Are your clients going and they are not coming back? Are you losing clients at every cake order that they do? You get them, but they don't come back subsequently for other orders. If that was what happened to you last year, don't allow that to happen to you this year. If you want to see the tips and tricks I use in keeping my clients going and coming each and every time, stay tuned and watch up until the very end. So my name is Bimisola Makonjola. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos State, Nigeria. I am a YouTuber and I am a cake baker. And I am here to share my tips with you on how I hold my customers going and coming. They are always going and coming. Why? Because I make my clients my friend. As long as you bake for me once, you automatically become my friend. I have you on my WhatsApp. I send you monthly messages. I send you messages to tell you, to check up on you, to ask how you are faring. And with this, they see me as a friend. And before you know it, each time they have cake orders, they come to me or they refer me to their friends. That is tip number one. That is very, very important. Make your clients your friend first before the business aspect. Do you get what I mean? If they are your friends, they will always come back to order from you. I don't mean friends that will gossip about you, but friends that want you to move. The second point is putting a call across to your clients immediately after the order. Once your order has been delivered and you've given them hours, probably by the end of the day for the party, maybe it's a birthday cake, at the end of the day in the evening for that birthday, you know they've eaten out of the cake, please put a call across to them and ask them about the cake. Let them give you their honest review. Tell them you want to know how well they like your product and how well they like your services. There are sometimes that it's not even the problem that is the problem, but the way you address your clients. Sometimes it's not even the way you address your clients, it's the way the cake was delivered. So if you put a call across to them and they tell you, oh, I don't like the way the cake came in, it was messy with the carton or something, you be able to apologize to them that, oh, I'm sorry, it's not my fault, it's Nigerian road, you know how to cover up for that area. And if it's a flavor in the cake that they don't like, they will be honest with you. I don't like the sugar level of the chocolate cake, I don't like the sugar level of they will tell you. By so doing, you are having two things. You are having a review for your product, which will either help you work on that particular recipe or to know how to get another recipe to replace that particular recipe, or and to as well know the kind of person you are relating with. Do you get what I mean? So that's the point. Point number three is always learn to put a thank you note or a thank you sticker on the carton of your cake. Or even if it's a thank you note, put it in your cake, in the carton of your cake inside. Let them know you appreciate each and every order. By so doing, they see your thank you note and they're like, oh, this person appreciates me. It's not necessarily for it to be a very big order before you do that. Even if it is your cake, smallest cake order, put a thank you sticker on it. If it is your snacks box, put a thank you sticker on it. Let them know that you appreciate them. By so doing, they will see that like, okay, fine, this person already wants my, even before they eat your product, you've already won their hearts with your thank you note. Put sweet words there. Just thank you for patronizing me, thank you for keeping my brand going, thank you. Just tell them thank you and let them know that yeah, they are well appreciated for their 1,000, for their 2,000, for their 3,000. By so doing, you have made a friend, a long lasting friendship with that particular client. Even if she doesn't have anything to order, she would be able to refer another client to you. If you get what I mean, learn how to appreciate your client. The fourth one is, like I said in the very first one, keep your contacts, your clients' contacts with you. Note the date of the birthday. So when it's the coming year, you'll be able to wish them a happy birthday in advance, if you get what I mean. So you are telling them that happy birthday in advance, hope you are not forgetting me. So it's just a way of telling them that, oh, your birthday this time last year, we started making preparations. How is preparations going? Even if they don't want to do anything, they will tell you that, oh, this year I'm just playing low, I'm not doing anything serious. Or if they want to do something like, oh, I've forgotten, let's talk business. Do you get? So you can just call them once it's like a week to their birthday, wishing them an happy birthday in advance. By so doing, you are remembering them that this time last year we were already talking about your cake. So how far with the cake don't order this year? So you understand that kind of how would I put it? You're just trying to make your way into their their list the following year. Sure you get. So that's the way they know that this person self is keeping record. At this point I've lost count of the points. But the next one is, please bakers, let's be mindful of the way we address our clients. Like I said earlier on, your services matters. Be as calm as possible. Explain to your clients. Most of these clients don't know what flavors of cake means, so just be calm with them. Explain to them, oh, you want a red velvet, this is what it takes. It's not as easy as this. Pamper them like the babies that they are. Try as much as possible to make them gain your trust, so they can trust your brand, if you understand what I mean. Not, we won't be harsh and expect them to come back the following year. If you're somebody like me, once I'm done with that order, I'm done with you. I'll just go like, oh, this person doesn't really need me, I just go. So if you want your clients to keep coming back, please, let's mind the way we address our clients. This is really, really important. Although I know that there are some clients that are very, very out of the moon. They can be very annoying, but still at that, let us know how to handle our clients the way we want to be handled ourselves. That is another point that I think will make our clients go and come back. There are some clients that intentionally want to know the way you will react when they throw tantrums at you. They just want to know how you are going to react. But if they see that, oh, you are calm, you don't really care about this, they would be like, oh, this person doesn't even give a shit about all this rubbish that I'm doing, and they will come down. Do you understand what I mean? And the other pata of them all is make sure that you are giving quality for their money. Please learn how to do those things right. If you can bake very, very well, I promise you, I assure you that your clients will go and they will come back. In fact, when they don't even have ceremony, they will order cake from you to put in their freezer. Be good at whatever you do, be it cake, be it tailoring, be it hairdressing, be anything. My stylist stays as far as Ifo, and she comes to Lagos State to help me make my hair when I have her money. So it is just like that. If you are good at whatever you do, your clients will go, they will come back, and in fact they will even send referrals to you to let you know that you are doing a very, very good job. So whatever you are doing, please and please make sure you are giving value, top-notch value for their money. Money is not easy to come by, hence everybody wants to get value for their money. If you are making cakes of 10,000 naira, please make sure you are giving them quality for 10,000 naira. If your startup cake is from 20,000 naira, please use quality ingredients. There are butters, there are margarines. There are butters and another butters. There are margarine and there are margarines, if you understand what I mean. So try these things and know the ones that work for you. For me, I know the margarine I use that work well for me. I know the butter I use that work well for me. I know the whipped cream I use that work well for me. So please test the brands and know what works for you very, very well, so you don't really have to be making excuses all the time your clients order. With this few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that there are means and ways you can keep your clients going, coming, go, come all throughout the year. I'll see you next in my next video. Remain blessed.